Hey friends, hey, thank you for clicking on today's video. For today, I will be resetting my sinking funds as well as my saving challenge binder for the 2024 year. So if you are interested in seeing how I go about doing that, then continue to watch. Okay, here we are. It's 2024. Happy New Year, everyone, if I haven't said that already. So what I'm going to do for today is pretty much just reset everything, my saving challenge included. Okay, so this year I am going to try to do as many of the challenges in my Moneymaker saving challenge book. This is currently on my Etsy shop as well as my .com website. My .com website is shut down now because I'm revamping everything, but my Etsy shop is open and this book is on there. There are, let me just kind of scoot these things over. I mean, there are so many challenges in this book. It's like an ultimate challenge book, y'all. And I'm not just saying that, there are so many challenges in here. Let me just show you guys, there are over 44 challenges plus your seasonal plus bonus challenge. Like, this challenge book will keep you active all year, you know? It could be the only book you need, to be honest. I'm not going to do all of the challenges at once. I'm just going to tackle a portion. If you watch my previous video, you'll see that, or if you watch the video after this one, you'll see that I'm only I think I'm only taking on about 10 challenges at a time, and then kind of hopefully that will be manageable. But let's just get into the setup. I don't even know where to start. There's so much. I'm prepping. I'm doing so much right now, y'all. So the first thing I am going to start off with is my 100 envelope box, and shamelessly I didn't complete the challenge, but it is okay. Onward and forward, that's what we're saying. These were my old envelope, and I am going to repurpose these. I will be, because I do have like 30 envelope challenge, 25 envelope challenge, so I might use these. But for now, I'm going to stick them over here, and then I'm going to, I have a whole little binder or basket of things because I was prepping like crazy. So these are going to be, I don't even know if I need this. I was using this as like a buffer to hold things up. Or these will be my new envelopes that I will be using. And instead of, last year I did 50 envelope, still didn't complete it. So I don't even know what I'm doing at this point. But I'm still gonna put my best foot forward and try. This year I'm going to attempt to do the 100 envelope challenge, because a part of my goal for this year is to save about 10K, and this is already 5. So that is that. My box is set up. I don't have any numbers on there. I just feel like it will be more convenient if I could just pull an envelope, write the number as I save. I won't be doing odd numbers, or I won't be doing like, say, $1 or $3. If it's 1, 2, 3, or between 1 and 5, I will be saving $5, because I do live in Canada and our $1 is not a bill but a coin, and our $2 is not a bill, it's a coin. So I don't want a whole bunch of loose change in here. So yep, so that is set up. I'll put this over here. Probably need a pen. I'll do that. So the next thing I'm going to do is just go on in and change up my binders. Let's see what I want to start off with. There are so many envelopes. I have new dashboards too. I have new dashboards that I'm going to be working with. I have my challenge, as well as self-care, lifestyle, and high priority. Which one will this be? Not necessarily. I think I'm gonna make this binder my high priority. Did I make it high priority last year? Don't even know. But we're going in with a new binder. I feel like it matches a little bit. There's like a little pink situation going on. We'll do a little ASMR moment. Okay. So this will be my new high priority binder. I'm just going to stick that in there. And add. Okay, so I did have these organized. I could tell my son was in here doing the most. Okay, I feel like everything is organized. That took a minute, but slowly but surely we're going to get through the process. Things are going to be a little finicky because some of these things are new and it's a little bit hard to manipulate. But let's try our best to just get through the process. I want to do this all at once, and it's almost like me trying to take a shortcut, but the shortcut is not shortcutting. So Lord, why is this thing so, this thing is testing me. Okay, we got through that. That was, it didn't need to be too complicated, but it was. So this is my high priority, and I do have a few challenges that I want to put in here. Okay, so I have birthdays. So I have my birthday. I'm gonna do a birthday tracker for this one. And then for savings, I'm going to do a little, this is like, I did this last year in my support others and save, my little mini challenge. I'm gonna do this one for my general savings. And then for challenge, I believe I'm almost 100% positive this was a freebie from Lisa Grateful Me. I will, if I remember, I will just put it down, but this is from Lisa Grateful Me. 100% sure. So this year, instead of designating a complete binder towards supporting others and save, I'm just going to do one challenge at a time. So that binder will be completely closed out. I didn't want to put this here. This kind of sucks now. Okay, miscellaneous goes there. My challenge, then savings, then I'll put retirement right here. Okay, so that is it. I feel like this video is gonna be long. We're already 11 minutes in. Okay, we're just gonna go ahead and add some trackers so that I know once I start adding towards the envelopes, I have my trackers available. Okay, so that is one binder down. I actually need to go into the high priority binder and just kind of take out all the money from here and put it in here. So I'm gonna set this aside. Don't want the video to get too long. So next up is my lifestyle binder. So I'll just pull this one. Take. So these are my old envelopes. I'm gonna set those aside so that I am able to add my new envelopes. So these will be it, and I will forever have a move-in envelope. You guys, I want to move so bad, but listen, the economy is rough right at this moment. So I actually wanted to do these one in a matte finish with the laminate, but I completely forgot. So here we are. It's a little shiny. So I have my registry, which will be like the renewal for my stickers and stuff like that. My daughter, school event, there is Costco. I kid you not, I had these all organized and my son was here. So school event, I want to put the kids at the front. So all right, so I think we're good. So I have my children's envelope, and then I have school events, which is any school trips or whatever they're going on. I'll save towards that. Then I have my car insurance. Uncle Sam is my taxes. I'm just calling him Uncle Sam because just to jazz things up. So we are good on that. So let's just add these. And then I'm going to put in my lifestyle dashboard that I made. And that's it for this envelope. So this one is complete. And I think it looks nicer. My binders are smudged, but you know what? We're still gonna work with it. It's a sleek look. So I'll take all of these, add them over here, and then I will transfer the money over. So that one is set up. The next one that I need to set up is my saving challenges. And like I said, I'm only doing a few challenges this year at a time. So these will be, are these the ones that I'm working on? No, this one is, did I mess up? Our home, household. Why do I feel like I messed up here? I feel like I did something wrong. Yes. Or maybe not. Okay. It's okay. Work in progress. So these will go in here. Or I didn't want to put these in here, or did I? You know what? Let me grab another binder. I think I want to put another pink binder. So let me just go ahead and grab another binder. I have this one and I'm not sure why, but we'll figure it out. So I got my binders. Let's just jump right into it. We're not going to do an ASMR because these things are so finicky. I just want to get in there and do what I need to do. All right. So it is a little hard to manipulate, but we're going to do it. That's what I did. I messed up on no, this is going to be, what did I do? This is high priority. This one is lifestyle. Where did I go wrong? This is getting a little crazy. Did I do double? Okay, this is lifestyle, so we're good for that. You guys, I am so silly. I made 2 high priority. I made 2 of the same binders. I'm so silly. You know what? I'm gonna keep this one. I don't even know what I was thinking, but yeah, let's just keep on pushing. All right, so let's do my saving challenge with this binder. I think that was the plan. Things are a little messy, but we're gonna get through it. I told you guys that I am going to work on just small amount of challenges at a time. So these are the ones that I will be working on at this moment. And then once I finish completing these, then I will move on to more because the challenge book is huge. There are over 44 challenges in it, and I don't want to start them all at once. So I'm doing Diamond Rush. I will do Superstar. Rainy Day. I'm just gonna put them in and then we'll talk about it after. Okay, I wish I did a better job at prepping you guys, but this is what it is. So for my 2024 saving challenge, to kickstart things off, I'm going to do the $5, $10, 31 days, 3,000 in a year. This one is a little bit ambitious, especially with the 100 envelope challenge, but you know what? Let's just be overachievers here. Rainy Day, Superstar, Diamond Rush, and that's what I'm going to do. I think that's about 11, and I think that is still a lot. And why did I put this? You guys, I'm so unorganized. Like, I put the binder backwards, but you know what? We'll figure it out. We'll figure it out. That's set up. That's done. I am just going to switch out the, for my self-care binder. Oops. So for my self-care binder, I am just going to switch out the dashboard and just kind of continue where I left off from last year, just changing out the dashboard. And that is it. I'll quickly kind of show you my Saving Challenge book and kind of end things off there because the camera is dying. Don't know why, because I charged the battery. So this is the book. This is what it looks like. Once you purchase it, it has the content on this side. Over here, you just have your saving jars so you can track how much you've saved monthly, quarterly, as well as annually. And these are a few of the challenge. I'm just going to do a little montage, I guess, flip through quickly. Okay, so that is it for today's video. That probably wasn't the greatest flip through. I'll probably do another one, but nonetheless, that is it for today. Thank you guys so much for watching. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Until next time, bye guys.